A fire has been reported in the building. Please proceed to the stairways and exit the building. Do not use the elevator.